Hey there, Ivana here. And yes, I don't have my curls on today. I just got a haircut. Anyways, I am going to do a little review for you on MotoCom. I was planning to do an interview actually, but Vivek ended up getting sick. And I didn't want him to do it while he is running a fever, right? So we are going to do this as a review. We are going to go in and I'm going to show you a demo of these websites. Now, what is the MotoCom all about? I have been using their Moto teams. I don't know if you have used them before, but anyways, they build these sites that you can install in a couple of clicks and you can sell these to your clients or you can use them for your own business. Now, what's really cool about this version of MotoCom that they are releasing is that you can build sites like Cura, you can build sites like Tinder, you can build sites like, I don't know, e-commerce sites, all kinds of stuff, and it's all within a few clicks. So what I'm going to share with you is the funnel and how it looks like, so you know. But before we do that, let me demo these sites for you. So let's go in to see how they look like.
Okay, awesome. Now let me show you some of these websites that MotoCom can build. So you see they look very, very, very professional. I'm going to move over to like if you wanted to do like a booking type of like hairstylist, beauty salons and things like that, definitely sites for that. Q&A sites right here. So if they wanted to ask questions and what the latest questions are, definitely let me go over another Q&A website. Here is a dating site that they have as well. So it is, and these are like I've used Moto Teams before, so these are really powerful sites that you can quickly install. So I definitely recommend you check these out. If you're selling or delivering services to other businesses, or if you need to build your own website, it will work for you. Now, I'm going to walk you through the funnel shortly so you know what you get. This is another, this is a booking site. It's very beautiful. I use something like this on my website actually, and I like it. It's very easy to use. Another thing is, and this is on one of my sites, I have ClickFunnels now for many funnels, but for my main site that I don't really do many updates on, I use MotoTheme actually. Okay, so let me just walk you through the sales page first. So in the front end license, you actually have 7 different sites that you can build. So they have like an e-commerce site like this one, and then they have the real estate website, they have event management website, deals website, sell mobile app website, digital marketplace website, online course website, jobs portal website, and food ordering website. So all of these are on the front end, and you will see that if you click on the button right below this video as well. Now let me walk you through the funnel. So what they have inside of the funnel is the MotoCom single license developer license. I always say you go with developer just because you can sell these then this one right here, unless you're not selling these, then you can go with, if you're just building for yourself, then go with $37 one. Then MotoCom Pro at 7 additional. So in the first one you have 10 niches, and then in the second one is 7 additional niches. Moto Theme version 4 as well, with business theme layouts. Then white label digital store, you have this at $37. Let me scroll down. Social image suite right here, that's $27. Visitor engagement suite, $27. Live chat plugin, support system, Modo SEO plugin. And then if you scroll down right here, Auto 5 is done for you, $499 or $999. This is if you want someone to do it for you, so you don't have to do any of this. Okay, so this is how the funnel looks like. And again, I really apologize for not being able to do the interview. No, you know, I like to do interviews, but yeah, in this case there was just no way we could get Vivek to do this with high fever. Okay.
Well, I hope you really enjoyed and you were impressed by these sites as much as I was. So here's what we are going to do. Right below this video, you will see setup bonuses that we have prepared for you, how you can do these websites, or how you can take these websites and sell them. You're also going to get a custom bonus of how to find clients who might be interested in purchasing these from you. We're also going to give you a done-for-you script that you can use on Facebook to contact these businesses directly, and so much more, right? So make sure you grab this right now. It's during the launch that the price is going to be low. Obviously, after the launch, the price gets bumped up, but it's not going to be by way too much. So even after the launch, definitely worth getting one of these. So make sure you pick it up and get the bonuses as well. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.